Okay, so you've been working really hard and you've done lots of work in your book, or you've created something that you want to take a photo of so that you can share it to your Google Classroom so that your teacher can see. Now, this is done on an iPad, but it'll work exactly the same on a mobile phone. So, you're taking your photo of your work, and then all you need to do is log on to the hub and go to the Google Classroom, Google for Education. Here I go. Now I've got a pretend classroom here, Mr. Jones's new classroom I think it's called, but obviously if you're in year 6, go to year 6 classroom, if you're in year 5, go to year 5 classroom, so on and so forth. I'm going to click into Mr. Jones's new classroom, and go to classwork, and click into the assignment where you want the work to be uploaded, where you want those photos to go. Obviously I've just got one here because this is just a practice to show how it's done, and so I'm going to click in for photo. And it's really super important. I click down here at the bottom in blue, view assignment. Although it may not be blue in your class, it might be green, purple, it can be a completely different colour. Now, it's really super important that we look at the top right, and this is how we're going to upload our photos. So far all we've done is taken our photos, log onto the hub, log into the Google Classroom, and gone into the assignment where we want to upload the photos. And once we're in here, we go to add or create. And I've got a few options, but the easiest way I find to do it is to go to File, which is the third option down. Click on File, and then we select Files from your device. That's right in the middle there. Select Files from your device. So at this point, if you look at the top, you may actually want to take a photo of your work now. So you could take a photo, and then you could simply upload. And I'm going to take one from my photo library here. Should do exactly the same on a mobile phone, by the way. I'm going to go into all photos, and I'm going to take this picture here and press done of the work that I've created. You can see that you can add more files. There's our option there. I will simply then upload. So go through quite quickly, and it'll take me back to the assignment page. See, it's still just uploading here, and now it's done. And all I need to do now is hand in, which is just below the add or create button. So if I wanted to, if you can see, if I did add or create, I could add even more files if I wanted to again. So I just go hand in, and I press hand in again, and I'm done. So it really is very simple. Take that photo, log into the hub, the Google Classroom, find the assignment that you want to use, go to add or create, and then select file, upload that file by either taking the picture at that time or going into the picture gallery, and then simply hand it in. You may also find it easier if you are using an iPad or a mobile phone to actually download the Google Classroom. You can get that from the App Store or from Google Play. It's just a little bit more user friendly when it comes to a phone or a tablet. Hopefully you found that some help.